Hi, my name is Clarke. I work for Scape Group as Head of Transformation. I work on efficiency and improvement of the business. Scape Group is a central procuring organisation. We run construction framework contracts for consultancy, for built environment, for civil engineering. So I think there's a real imperative on anybody who can influence the relationship between construction clients and the building sector to consider the holistic cost and impact on the environment of their buildings. We know that 80% of the building stock that's going to be on site in 2050 is already there. So we must think harder when we extend, when we improve, when we renovate, when we refurbish. And I think that's for all of us to influence, but it's particularly important for public sector clients to think about their investment decisions, make more rounded decisions, and think about what they're doing for strategic outcomes. Buildings are a major impact on our carbon footprint as a country. We can't ignore that. So I think there's a huge opportunity to regulate and to influence the decision making of clients through higher standards and through demanding higher criteria for making investment in buildings. So that may be building regulations, but I think there's also an opportunity through the BIM regulations to ask for environmental information to be taken into account. As an employer, are you thinking about how you're going to manage your energy bills after you've had a building refurbished or built? As an employer, are you thinking about how you're going to manage your carbon impact? I think those things are things that you can ask as a client of construction, and you can build into your briefs. I think the construction industry has a duty of care to start asking those questions, because the changes to these buildings happen infrequently. So when we do the building work, we need to be doing that better. So as a central procuring body, Scape has a real responsibility for establishing standards in our framework contracts, in making sure that the issues of climate change are addressed in our call-off mechanisms and in our contracts. We'll be thinking really hard about that as we run into our next round of procurement for construction frameworks. We'll be really thinking about who we select and their attitude towards climate change when we select them. You can rest assured it will be in our qualitative assessments for our supply chain, because we can't ignore that. One thing to get across here is climate change is real, it's scientifically proven, it's proven in evidence and fact, and our industry doesn't deny it. If you look at the industry and the major providers in the industry, all of them have specialist teams, all of them have specialist investment being made, all of them know where to go to help clients get better outcomes. We're not denying it, you shouldn't either. Get involved, get on with it.